Mathaine ma kiroko maabitha a urugamiriri wa nyumba NCA kaunti ya Nairobi unyitaniri na kanjo ya kaunti ni magwikinyite itura-ini ria Kasarani nyumba-ini imwe ya ngorofa 7 na maheana mukana na makanja waki wa nyumba eno guthie na mbere. Murugamiriri uria uratwarithagia mihango ya waki wa nyumba eno na uria muingi utanetikira kumugweta athie na mbere na waki wa nyumba eno na waria magwakaga meherera niguo gwathikira watho. Thutha wa mathaa manini aruti angi a wira mekinyia thiini wa nyumba-ini ino na mauga ni makuruta wira wa waki uyu kuona matiuma na mawira mangi na waki wa nyumba ino wathie na mbere o ta mutugo. Undu wa kumakania waki wa nyumba ino uratwarithagio na mbere nginyagia mathaa-ini ma utuku amu kwiragwo maundu maria me nduma-ini ni mumbukaga riu waki wa nyumba ino gukinya muthia. Mathaa-ini ma thaa 8 niguo mutino uyu uhanikire na andu aria magwakaga thiini amwe ao magithara angi nao magitigwo thiini mihango ya kumahonokia githie na mbere magitongorio ni mbiraru. Mubunge wa Kasarani Ronald Karauri hamwe na MCA wa guku wa Shira Mwaura nio mauma a mbere gwikinya mutino-ini uyu makiuga mwene nyumba na mwene kandarathi mabatie makinyukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho amu makoretwo makiheo notithi no mwene agatuma batoni kuhamurithia abitha a kanjo na kuga nio aine na nene thirikari-ini nene.
Andu a kaunti maturaga haha nyumba ino irugamitio maita 10 no mundu uyu tondu niuga nio andu nene thirikari-ini yarugamia gathia kiendelea kuruta wira ona NCA ndio mauma harucini koguo nyumba ino tiatete county tutingime blame tondu ni anite marua na ekauga gwiko investigations na akirwa arugamia nyumba no atumagira guns agatengeria andu a county na akendelea kuruta wira na uyu aruta wira nginya utuku rire gutare mundu ini ntimatwira mundu ithu tiroya tene ahura andu a county andu hara andu a county nao matiraugite no riu kwagiriro ni ati mundu ta ucio koguo andu a county magiro mathi magetha borithi agoka kanyitwo ni OCS kana OCPD.
Karauri augite ni makugathika hamwe na gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja mitaratara na mawatho ma gutigirira andu taya ni matacokirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
In fact, as you've heard, we've just been told that whoever owns the property, because right now what should be happening, even the DCI should be looking for this guy and arresting him, because when you hear someone is arrogant and even though he got the plans, he decides to cut corners in terms of his construction, that is someone who should be behind bars as we speak. So I think even as the rescue operation is ongoing, this guy should be sought out. In terms of the construction, because we should not be allowing this to happen all the time. Every so often you hear about collapsed buildings, and there must be checks and balances in terms of even the guys who get the approvals. How are they allowed to continue on construction if their buildings are substandard? I hope this is the last time we hear about collapsed buildings in Nairobi County. I'll be talking to Governor Sakaja so that we see if he needs any assistance from us in terms of coming up with solutions so that this does not happen again.
Mihango ya kuhonokia andu thiini wa nyumba ino ni iriegwire mathaa-ini ma thaa 8 no irathie na mbere handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma gicigo mbunge gia Kasarani guku mucii munene wa Nairobi. Njitagwo Jackson MWANIKI.